Hello and welcome to the channel. This is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel, and in today's video we are in a different location. We are at my parents' home and I am helping them to kind of spruce up their screened-in porch for the spring summer season, and that includes doing a small garden tablescape. You will see a lot of moisture and water around here that's typically not there. I happen to be doing this on a rainy day, and it's the day that they're getting their home and windows power washed. Go figure. So there's a lot of water shooting in. So hopefully I don't get wet in this process. So I'm starting off by putting up this wreath here. This is a wreath that I made. I just got some florals, some faux florals, and one of those grapevine wreaths and just kind of stuck the flowers in there. This video is a part of Tablescape Tuesday that is hosted every week by Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney at Amethyst Adventures. And then their guest host for this week is Martha at Divine Inspiration by Martha. The theme of this week's Tablescape is in honor of Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. She is graduating from Divinity School, so a special congratulations to Anna on her accomplishments. Also, I would like to encourage you to go over to her channel and also Courtney's channel from Amethyst Adventure and their special guest, Martha of Divine Inspiration by Martha, to check out any tablescape inspiration that you want. They do this tablescape collaboration every week, so there are literally hundreds of videos out there with home decor tablescape inspiration. So thank you to these ladies for hosting this this collaboration, and I hope that you'll check my description box for the details of how you can find their channels. Now let's get on with this table here. So we're going to start off by cleaning it off, and you can see that I've taken off that maroon colored table covering that was on from the fall. It's springtime now, so we want to brighten things up, and as you can see, we brought in a wreath, bringing in some white flowers with a few black flowers in there. So we're going to go ahead with that theme for this space and just kind of do a little bit of black and white with some hints of gold. I find these little table coverings on Amazon, and they are like perfect for these little bistro tables that are outside to kind of just change up the color each season. They're not very expensive at all. I think they're about $8, but they fit the table perfectly, and we can change up the color with the seasons. So this vase is something that I thrifted some years ago. I painted it. It's actually due for another coat of paint on there to just kind of freshen it up. But I think it's okay for this outdoor space here. So we're just going to turn it where it looks the best and kind of put it here on this table. This is just to create more of an aesthetically pleasing place. My mom doesn't really eat out here like she used to. She spends more time in the house, but we want it to look nice just the same. It's so funny. Anytime I come over here and I'm working on something, my parents always have like side projects. So my mom just went and found some old camera that she had in a drawer somewhere. Not sure where it came from, but anyway, side note. So we're just going to go ahead and place this here. And as always, when I'm decorating, I'm kind of figuring it out as I go along, just ideas pop in my head for what to do. So I have this little tray here, and this has the little gold handle. So I thought that was perfect. And I also had this little black bird cage that I've had for some time, and I thought that would be cute to bring in and just kind of put a candle in there or something. So I'm looking at these tea light here candles that I have, and I'm going to go ahead and put them in here. Now these are on a timer, which I thought would be really, really nice. You know, I am all about the candles coming on automatically at dusk dark. So we're just going to put a couple in here. Ideally, I would have one, but I really didn't have a larger one to go in there. So we're just going to put those in there and just kind of set this vase in here. And I think that looks really, really cute. I'm doing this voiceover the day after I actually did this changed this table up, and I've talked to my mom, and she's told me that she's been sitting out here, so it was a good thing to just kind of change things up. Sometimes you just want to look at something different, and that just makes all the difference in the world. Get into this Christmas cactus. This girl just shows out. She is so pretty, and she blooms a couple times a year, and she is really pretty during that time. We're also going to place a regular candle out here too, just because you get your aromatherapy. And we sat out here for a little bit after we got done. And this candle, this is one of those Aldi candles that she's actually had now for several years because she never burns her candles. But we lit it and it smelled so good. I think it was like a gardenia scent or whatever, but it smells so good out here, and especially after a fresh rain. So it really created a nice little comfortable vibe. It's not a lot going on. You don't need a lot for it to create just a really cute little space here, but she's enjoying it already, and that's what's important. I think it looks so pretty. And because we're honoring our graduate Anna here, this would also be perfect for a little graduation garden party or something like that. Some beautiful faux flowers in whatever color you choose. The white is always pretty and you can put in accent colors with it. But I just think this is just really cute. And those little table coverings, I don't know if I mentioned or not, but I get those from Amazon. But it makes it really easy to kind of switch out the color of your little bistro tables every season if you want to do that very economically. I think they're like maybe $8 to do that or whatever. But yeah, this is perfect for this little outdoor space. And I wish that it hadn't been raining because I really wanted to show my mom's garden area. I think we're going to step out there anyway, but just understand that it's been raining really hard in the Carolinas. We cannot catch a break from this rain. It's wonderful for the yard and the gardens and everything, but yeah. So mom has stepped out here, and she's just talking about how much she is loving the way that things are looking out on her porch area. But let's go ahead and step out here in this rain and see her perennial garden here. Now things have been beaten down pretty bad because we've been getting consistent torrential rain. So, when you have the perennials, it just kind of will beat the blooms right off of there. So you see gladiolas or irises or whatever laying down on the ground. Yeah, it just took a hit. But this is a beautiful little space here that is right outside of her screened in porch. And my mom rarely comes out here. She is not a fan of the critters that you encounter in the country areas. So yeah. So here she is standing in the doorway, again, marveling at how nice it looks because the refresh is just really all you need sometimes to just freshen or lighten your mood, especially, if you've been dealing with some bad weather and that type of thing. Just kind of do a little something around the house. Anyway, enough of that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out the description box below so that you can head over to the other ladies' channels and check out what they've done with their tablescapes. There will be other participants in the collaboration as well, so you can get all types of summer decorating inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all over here on my next one. Bye-bye.